It's a pleasure and an honor to be back. I have seen firsthand the show grow from season 2 to season 3. The challenges are with nice twists and turns this time. The contestants, they're really bringing their A game. I'm honored to have Chef Prasad as my co-judge. Renascent Media has upped their game. ShopRite has pulled all the stops and given it their best. I think it's a great production, amazing setup, and the final product, which is good TV. But the best part is seeing these home cooks really get fully involved in the whole process of selection, elimination. It's heart-wrenching and yet heartening to see at the same time. Eventually, but somebody has to lose, somebody has to win. But it's such a nice family, they're all working together, and a great setup.
ShopRite Cooking Star.